Hi, welcome to Shah Jains. I'm Raghavan Rajkumar. Today we are going to see about Nifty support and resistance for the day and few intraday calls. Before that, we will check how Nifty performed yesterday and how our calls performed yesterday. Nifty yesterday opened above 5700 and slowly started to dip down, and it made a low of 5687. From there it started to go up and it made a high of 5754.60. After that it closed around 5745. How our calls performed yesterday? We have given a short call on Tata Motors with a target of 258, and Tata Motors made a low of 258.25. The next call is, we have given a short call on United Spirits with a target of 1800. It moved towards 1809. And next call, we have given a short on TCS with a target of 1520. It moved to 1542. Then we have given a buy call on Infosys with a target of 3000. It moved to 2989. And the last call we have given is HDFC with a target of 850, but it didn't move anyway. Now today we will see that where market will be having the resistance and where the market will be having its support. Yesterday it made a low of 5687. Before that, on Monday it made a low of 5675. So this week, from Wednesday to Friday, we'll be having a strong support around 5675. Now the resistance moves towards 5777. If that resistance is taken out, next resistance starts at 5785, 5795, then 5800. If 5800 is also taken out, we'll be moving towards 5815, then 5840. Yesterday the market closed around 5745 to 5750, so the resistance is coming around 100 points. And if there is a gap up and there is a gap down, our intraday calls is not valid. Today we'll see about intraday calls. We are giving a buy call on SBI with a target of 2200 with a stop loss of 2085. You can buy ONGC with a stop loss of 310 with a target of 325. Then you can go buy L&T with a stop loss of 1395 and a target of 1465. And you can go and buy a Reliance Infra with a target of 372 and with a stop loss of 351. All these calls are valid if there is no gap up or gap down. If there is a gap up and all the stocks move towards the target, please avoid buying. Or if there is a gap down and all the stocks open down 2 to 3% down, please avoid selling the stocks. Thank you.